And a big problem here in mid-Michigan. A Flushing doctor has even been charged in connection with 3 deaths. Just because a doctor prescribes a painkiller doesn't mean it's safe to use. Opiates are as addictive as heroin. So this afternoon, we're focusing in on the problem with the president of the National Safety Council, Deborah Hersman. And Deborah, thanks so much for joining us this First at 4.
Nice to be with you.
The number of people who have died from prescription drug overdoses has quadrupled in the past 15 years. And what do you attribute this rise in deaths to painkiller or drug overdoses to?
You know, in the mid-1990s, we saw the onset of opioid painkillers. And I think during the last couple of decades, they've really become the Cadillac of pain treatment. People ask for them and know them by name. Vicodin, Percocet, OxyContin, hydrocodone. These are words that have become part of our lexicon. Unfortunately, when we did a survey, many people who took these drugs didn't even understand that they were opioid painkillers that have the same base chemical makeup as heroin.
Now, you say people ask for them by name. Is it because they're very effective, or they just get addicted to them, or how does that work? And are there any alternative painkillers to these ones that include opiates?
You know, we know that these drugs have serious side effects when it comes to being used as pain relievers. They are very addictive. 4 out of 5 heroin users started their addiction with prescription painkillers, these opioids. And so, unfortunately, it's a very easy transition from the opioids to heroin, and the street value, the cost of heroin, is actually cheaper. And so it's really important for people to understand when they go to the doctor, when they're having pain, whether it's an acute injury or something more chronic, to really ask about what alternatives are to these opioids. We've done some studies, we've looked at some medical work that's been done, some pain tests, and we know that Tylenol and ibuprofen can be just as effective at managing pain as some of the painkillers.
And very quickly, where can people go to get more information about the National Safety Council and how you're bringing awareness to opiate addiction?
So visit nsc.org. There's information there, white papers, research, and also for employers, we've got an employer toolkit if you want to help to keep your employees safe.
And we will put that website on our website, which is abc12.com. Deborah Hersman, thanks so much for joining us this afternoon and sharing this information. Have a great day.